What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something a little bit different. I literally just got my Boxycharm premium box, and if you don't know, this month's premium box was a collaboration with Fenty Beauty. So all the items in there were all Fenty items, which is awesome because I love her lipsticks, but I ain't got nothing else other than that. But Chris is here. He is not going to be on camera. He's actually behind the camera.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes.
Videographer, producer, director.
He thinks he sees things. But he's still going to guess prices. I'm going to pull them out, hold them up, let you guys see them, and he's going to guess. If you haven't seen it, I got a little Manny MUA on my shirt. Manny Mua.
Manny Mua.
Yeah, I'm wearing his merch. So pigmented.
So pigmented.
Because I can, and I love it. I got a lot of compliments on this shirt, by the way, at work.
I don't know.
Well, they probably think I'm weird.
Nice people.
Yeah, I do have nice coworkers. Okay, so here is this month's box. It is a bigger box. This is the premium box. I will be getting the luxe box. It is on the way, so it'll probably be here in a couple days. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is what it looks like since it's a special box. Pretty cool, huh?
It is. It's super cool.
Super cool.
Fenty Beauty.
Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, by Riri. All right, so I'm trying to do it a little. I was wondering why everything's so puffed up. There's like extra stuff in here, extra padding. All right, so first things first, we have let's see, Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. I could have literally just read that on here instead of on the card.
You could have.
But I didn't.
You remember when we wanted to go to Morocco for our honeymoon? That was an idea that we had.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then we got lazy.
Yeah, we did get lazy.
Because I was like, ugh, passports and international travel.
I know, gross,
Ew.
right? But these are the colors that are in the palette. That's on the unicarton. And then this is the palette.
Very nice.
I know, right? Very sleek design. I like her stuff. Everything I've seen from her has been very sleek. So we're going to open her up. It comes obviously with the mirror. Look, there's two of me.
Very, very good looking
And then
product.
This is the palette right here. Look, we can see you.
Yes.
In the frame.
Awesome.
But anyways, I'm going to let you... Oh, look, there's the Coke can. I'm going to let you look at it. You're probably not going to swatch it, but you can look and see what you think about it and how much you think that eyeshadow palette is.
$56.
Wow. You're firm on the 56.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
There's nothing at
Fenty
stake.
Beauty eyeshadow palette, $29.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
I suck. I'm out the game.
You are out the game. We haven't done one of these videos in a while.
Yeah.
We've kind of sucked. So this is her next one. This is the Kilowatt highlighter, and this is in this shade, iconic shade. Everyone went wild for this, Trophy Wife. So I'm gonna open her up. So this is her highlighter packaging, and then this is the shade. It also comes with a mirror. I will cover that up so you guys, or unless you want to see Chris again.
Yeah.
Oh, no, not this time. Not big enough. But this is the shade right here. Look at that glitter.
It's very nice.
Trophy Wife.
All right.
Everyone went nuts when
highlighter?
this. Yes, it's a highlighter, and I'm telling you, people went crazy when it launched.
Right. I'm gonna go with $20.
36.
How's a highlighter so much more expensive than an eyeshadow palette?
Chris, I don't know, but her highlighters are more like, she's known for highlighters more so
She's
than.
known for singing.
Well, I do love her song, Umbrella, Ella, Ella.
I think she was also with Jay-Z in New York.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
She did a song with Eminem.
Yes, she did.
I can't remember it right now.
Oh, Riri.
It's unfortunate.
And then her and Chris Brown, they didn't work out.
No, but you know, things always happen for a reason.
Yeah. Alright. But not that got real awkward. The next thing we have is one of her shimmer skin sticks. This is a matchstick shimmer skin stick. And we got the shade Chili Mango.
Ah. I like that.
Chili Mango. So if you don't know,
chips in it.
this is magnetic. So if you have more of the matchsticks, they all cling together.
Yeah, no, I understand how magnets work.
Okay, so it is a long wear, light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. So cream to powder highlight stick, and this is the shade right here, and Chili Mango.
And this is a cream to powder highlight stick.
You could use it as a blush, which is probably more what I would be using it for my skin tone.
It's gonna be orange.
Well, hey, let's watch it.
Final product.
Well, no, you probably blend it out, and then you blend.
It looks an awful like an orange highlighter. Okay.
It's not. See, once it just very concentrated. That's why it looks so orange. But
like orange juice concentrate.
Oh yes.
That's where she got the idea from.
So what do you think? I'm gonna let you hold it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
$29.
Oh, close. 25.
All right.
Yes. All right, moving on. This is the Invisimatte blotting paper, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. So this is like if you're oily, you would blot your face. Pick up some of that oil so you don't look so oily.
No, I understand.
Okay. Oh, I gotta put it in there. It's really loud. So then I bet you could just buy the refills so you don't have to keep buying like a new thing. You know what I'm saying?
It makes sense.
I like that. It's kind of like that video. If you follow me on, well, you don't follow me on Facebook, but remember that video I posted on Facebook last night about the bottled, refilling the bottle of shampoos and stuff like that? I think that's really cool. Chris doesn't care.
Shampoo, we got it.
Yes, so it goes like this. All right, I'm trying to figure out how to put it in there. All right, here we go. We've got it. Your girl's got it. I don't got it. I don't got it.
You have it at all.
I don't have it at all. I'm like terrible. So blotting paper.
Okay. So, well, you've already blotted your
I'm
greasy
sorry.
forehead. I don't want that now.
Okay. Okay, here.
I don't know what to do with this, Anna.
Here's one piece of blotting paper. You can blot your oils. It'll soak up your oils. Soak it up.
I'll just get my own.
Oh, is that like a little mirror too? Yeah. I don't use blotting papers very often, to be honest. I'm not like a oily gal.
Wow. Weird flex.
Are you using the little mirror on there to try and blot yourself?
Yeah. Well, I figured it. I mean, I just got done working
Well,
out about an hour ago.
it starts to look a little transparent. I guess maybe I'm a little oily, but not like super oily. The best way to stop being oily is to add more oil to your face.
Don't listen to that.
No, that's the truth, because then your face thinks that it's overproducing oils and it will stop producing as much.
I don't know how much that napkin dispenser costs.
Dispenser.
$12 at best.
For Fenty Beauty blotting paper. Okay, it says Invisimatte blotting paper, $16. $16. But this is the little mirror that Chris just put or tried to use.
No, I did use it. I was successful in using the mirror.
Was it useful?
Yes.
Oh, here we go. We got a gloss bomb.
Uh-oh.
All right, this gloss bomb is in Diamond Milk. So it's one of her glosses. Her glosses she's also known for those too. FYI.
I think she's just famous.
Okay. Well, highlighters and glosses are like what everybody, and the beauty community. I try to be like Rachel X there.
Just be yourself. He would appreciate that.
He does. He would love me as myself.
It smells really good. It smells like icing.
Icing. Here's Dixie trying to be in the thing again. I love it.
Now, what is this?
It's gloss, lip gloss.
Okay,
I love it
so-
when my lip products smell like icing or sweet stuff.
$22. I was gonna say 18, but
This is 19.
So I've been closer with 18. It's still not far
Oh
off.
no,
of 22.
you're still good. All right, the last product we have is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, and we got it in the shade Single. I'm not single.
No, you wiped up.
Yeah, I am. But this is how her lipsticks all come in this packaging right here, which is really neat.
It's unique.
It is. Oh, and I like this because I do like nudes, neutral browns. I like that.
I myself enjoy nudes.
Yeah.
Producing them, receiving them.
Sexy
So this
girl.
is a lipstick.
Yeah, it's a lipstick.
$22. I'm gonna go back to my 22.
18.
I should have hit it with the 18 again.
You should have. You need to go with your gut feeling.
I should.
But anyways, that is it. That's everything we got, Chris. We did get this big old thing to make it look bigger in the box. Fenty.
Yeah.
Extra cardboard.
You can hang that on your wall.
Yes. But this is everything. If you got the premium box, you might not have got the same shades that I got, but you did get all of these items right here. The gloss, the lip, the shimmer stick, blotting paper, the iconic highlighter, which I'm super pumped about because I wanted it and I did not buy it, but I got it now. And then also you got a palette, a full-size palette, which is really cool. And the shades are nice. It's like a nice neutral palette, I think. There you are again, Chris.
Yes, I've made the video twice now.
Yes. But that is it. What do you think of this month's box?
How much was it?
The premium is $35. $35 for all of...
It's not bad. It's cool. It's a cool themed box.
Right.
Cool little partnership. It'd been super cool if they didn't come out with something exclusive to this, you know.
Right. That would have been really cool.
Boxycharm / Fenty exclusive collaboration item. Even like a little sticker or something. That'd have been cool.
That's like how Jeffree Star, he always comes out with one exclusive thing in those mystery boxes that you can't get anywhere else.
That's right.
So that would have been a really cool idea. I agree. But overall, I think for the price, you can't beat it.
No, $35 for this. It's all good stuff.
Yeah.
You don't have any of it, I don't guess, right?
Nope. I don't have any of it, which is awesome.
Perfect.
But that is it, y'all. Also, you can find Fenty in Sephora. Sephora sells it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's it for this video. You got anything you want to tell them?
It's starting to get warm out there again. Stay hydrated.
That's what you say that every time.
Yeah.
Also, those are our dogs. They're going crazy.
They're beefing right now.
They're not beeping. They love to play. If you follow me on Instagram, there'll be a video of them playing together. They love to play tug of war. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.